Ayan, good evening mga ka-explorer. Dito tayo ngayon sa Petron Bantay dahil dito po ang second checkpoint ng Boss Ironman 2023. Nag-ready po ang mga riders at ang mga club presidents sa Ilocos Sur upang mas maging safe ang mga arrival ng ating mga participants sa Boss Ironman. Magte-take off mamayang alas 8 ng gabi. Reconnecting.
I'm unstoppable, do the impossible.
Wala na, reconnecting na mga sir.
I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal. I'm dropping bombs, you know. No, I'm not stopping, no. Conquer the obstacle. To the top, here I go, think I'm chosen to be the king of rock. The people have spoken. Give me the tick-tock of the clock, I'm in motion. So now I'm good.
Ayan na po.
Causing all this commotion. Sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable.
Okay.
Yeah, ready to go, man. That's right. I swear to God that I can show you. I got a shot and I'm unstoppable. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable. I'ma do this thing my way. Been grinding hard on it all day. We work hard, then we play. I'm addicted to the grind, man. So I refuse to waste time, man. I'm getting hungry, man. You know we're back with the Guinness. Every minute, every track, in addiction to the fact that we're winning. Still relax, I'm missing the attract that is hitting me. I don't waste time, no, I make time. All these people wanna hate, fine, I'ma make mine. While you sitting there complaining, I'll be training. While you sitting there just waiting, I'm creating. Sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, ready to go, man, rock and load. That's right. I swear to God that I can show you. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.
May madagito yung kakadwacho na kapatid nga tinggal sa tatata. Ayan. Shoutout kayo. Dance.
Best lang na yun, masaya na, Marshall. Ironman.
Okay, best lang daw. Katagumpay! Versus Sports Car. Pigit!
Petroling galing.
Yehey! Vulcan. Boss M! Oh, gininanatan eh. Bye! Yay! All right! Hihi! Hoy, Papang!
Daming. Isa dito yun. Check mo to, kapitan.
Oh, pinalagtula pa yun! Hihi! Alright! Waya, waya! Eh, Papang Mac!